Hi everyone, look at our Christmas tree. Say hi. Oh yeah, go. Yedi. Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across my video, I'm back again. This is Katarina Golden Baby, back again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come see this video, anytime you come across this video. So my name is Katarina Golden Baby. I beg, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I post any video, you will be notified. Anytime I drop any video, you go there notify say I don't drop video again. So today a lot of people they complain my pikin no dey eat, my baby no dey eat, my mama no dey eat. I can't tell you the solution. This one, you no go need to complain. You no go even need to tie the baby join body. Oh yeah, eat. No, nothing like that for this one. Because my baby then, because I do baby friendly, reached 6 months. When my baby did 6 months, now my baby is 8 months. When my baby did 6 months, I can't start to give her food. So see the kind of food when I give her. This one are food when you see my husband they buy. They always they give her. She you see her a lot. There are more different type. There are still more. See her different type. You see her a lot. So there are still more. I'm still going to show you another one again. This one are still meat. So we dey use am say they give am, but when I call the notice am, e no dey eat to my taste again. No dey eat. If I won't give am, e go dey cry. I go dey wonder say, why make this baby dey cry? What is really going on? I want to know. So I can go meet my mother-in-law. Cause before when we knew to dey give am the food, e dey eat well, but one certain time no come dey eat am again. Even the bottle food you see am say many, no come dey eat them again. Then I come still tell one of my girlfriend. That my girlfriend come tell me say try to dey give am normal food. All those food you blend and give am. Say most of their food, you know, say that they keep, you know, no chemical when they put when it say they last long time. Like this one at the right 2020, 2021 now go take expire. Sunday 2023, you don't know chemical when they put say they make and they last. You understand? So it's better you prepare the food by yourself. You make when I not look my eyelash will bend. So the eyelash bend, I know. So when I know you look the eyelash, if they look the eyelash, you go they laugh me, but I know man. So it better you just, you understand? It better you just cook the food by yourself. You understand? So I can't decided to say a lot of women, if I just see that they ask me, your baby, I get baby when I see, which is on Sunday for church. The baby are not really blessed in a year plus. So the woman they ask me, they try to force the baby this kind of food. And this one said exactly this one. If they try to force and make it eat, now I say I don't force and maybe no one eat. He say no, they great eat. Now concern the food where they give them this to say yeah. Now say now church I not feel just they talk, but I believe say this video go still reach where it dey. You understand? See food, see all these foods. See, this one are foods when my baby they eat before. He not they eat them again. If you want to eat them, maybe in the afternoon. If you give her in the morning, go vomit them. You understand? So this one na food wey be say we dey buy dey give am. So my mother-in-law go say okay, as I tell this my girlfriend, that my girlfriend come still tell me say try to dey give am normal food. I come dey ask which one be the normal food. He go start to dey, you know say from our side pikin dey 8 months, they don dey put eba for a man, they don dey put garri for a man, they don dey put everything. Now he come say no, say normal food like. So as she tell me, now I come still tell my mother-in-law. Now my mother-in-law say e don pass to dey eat this one. It's better you dey give am something like this. He can't really prepare that thing that day. That day was on Wednesday. We can't, because I know sabi, I can't go my mother-in-law house because he can't teach me. As he teach me, behold, my son, he eats that food too. So say if I want to dey blow and say make I blow am because e dey hot, he go dey cry, go say make I put am for a mat. So I decided to say let me share with those people that encounter that kind of thing. A lot of people are saying my baby no dey eat, they want me that they force the baby dey eat. Today I go still drop the video when I will take feed this my baby. I go still drop the video. Me you see say before I go dey try to dey force am, I'm not gonna put am for a chair. Because they bought a table for my baby to be eating, but I don't longer put it in that chair again. I will just put it in my house so that I can feed it very well. But still, it will not still eat. But since I start preparing this one, behold, my son has been eating well. So I don't want to keep it between myself. I want other people to learn how to prepare it and make sure they prepare it well, so that their baby can also eat like that. The last time when I take my baby go a doctor place just to check the weight, they tell me say reduce weight, and then I did eat that food. But when I carry am go that day, they tell me say e don reach e don dey go that time because e dey sell kili. And I say because we dey try to dey feed am. But because with the feed am, maybe we'll give am money, breakfast for money, lunch like that, merinda, like we just dey do am like that. But when I come start to dey give am this one, we carry am go that day, the doctor na even come dey tell me say e don get weight well. The weight come pass the one wey be say e first get before. Now I come be more than, be like say na 7 kilo plus. Now I come dey that time. But tomorrow now we still dey go, just to say yeah, they try to follow up with children. So I don't want to keep her to myself, and I don't want to make my video too long. So let's make a prepare of it. So this is my carrots that I'm going to use today to prepare it, and this is my zucchini. You can see the zucchini is very it's big, but when it gets cooked, it remains. This is my carrot, so I'm going to wash it first and everything. So I've washed it with my so you are going to slice it. See the way I take divide down, so you will still divide it again. See it, then you start trimming it. So before we trim all this one, this is the meat I'm going to use to prepare my son's food. You understand? This is the meat I'm going to use. So let me roast it. I've already washed it before. Let me still wash it because it's a baby. So I've washed it. This is my pot I'm going to use to cook it. Then you will add it in the pot. So because it's baby, I normally use normal water to prepare his food. But for me and his father, we use normal water to cook. May you not get me wrong. And because in a baby, now I dey use this water to cook for her. For me and his father, we dey use normal water. You and I dey use. So look at it. So you can see I have the water. Maybe some people will say, only one day food. No, once you cook it, after you finish it, you put it in the fridge. Then you bring the one you will be using to give him food. If you want to take, you will take from it. That's how I used to do it. This one that I want to do now, it will eat it tomorrow, next tomorrow, the other day. That's why I take the one. So not be just only tomorrow, because you know if they cook every day. So that is it. So this is the meat. So you have to put the meat in the fire to start boiling. You will not put salt, or you will not put anything. Just cut your things and put them inside. And potato. I'm going to peel the potato first. I'm coming. Let me slice my carrots and put inside first. So this is the zucchini. The way it is how it look like. If you want it to go very fast, so I already put this thing for potting. Now I put on like this, maybe they see my cooking. Make your baby fresh food, you go eat. No say not they eat again, go eat. You get one woman for school when I they go. The woman called, they tell me say, nah, all those what is that they call them from not be our Africa, from now say Africa woman now from this thing. I don't forget this place. That they speak English too. They speak English. She's one of my best friend in the school. She is one of my best friend. So she have baby like me. She's one of my best friend in the school. So during summer we do go out to park to spend some time together. We eat there, we play. Then for now we have baby. Cold time we don't normally go. During summer we go to park. All those park like garden. We just play, talk. She's one of my best friend in school. She's from this thing. I don't forget the country. I will remember before this my video go end. Before my video go end, I will remember the country when she for come. She called they complain for me. Her baby not they eat. Now I say no wahala. Your baby, you know, which food they give me? Still show me this food when I they give me. He saying they kind Africa food, Africa custard. Where you go they give her. Now I say Africa custard for how many months speaking? Now I say no worry. I come follow and go in house. I still prepare this food. The baby eats. The baby eats. Just that I can't get low battery that day for video the baby. You understand? The baby just eats. Now you can say but he no go feel remember all everything once. So I come and say if you want cook and make they let me they know. So if I say do this video finish now I go still share them for her. But that day I tell me she still use the mouth call me when he call me for phone say the baby in the feed they prepare her. Now the baby they eat. You understand? So that's all. So let me peel my potato. I will be right back. So this is potato. You will peel your potato. Depends the food you want to cook. potato enough get say too much, you can use 3, you can use 4. So I'm using 3 for my son now. So you will now wash it. This is the 3 potato. You will wash it very well. So then you slice it the same the way you do carrots. That is how you will still do it. So keep go fast. No, potato are very soft. No, we get cook. Put it inside your pot. Sorry, my phone. No salt, nothing, just like that. Then after you cook, blend it. I will show you the food I normally use to mix it. The first day I almost eat it. I almost finish it because it looked like porridge. It looked like porridge. The odor alone, you will know that yes. You think that children don't know better food? They know better food more than us. There are food I will give my son. That time that my son used to eat that one. Once I don't give him, you just do math one kind. We not carry the food. But now I used to put it in his table to eat himself. I will be feeding him. He don't used to say I will not eat. I will drop the video if I'm feeding him. Like my son not dey drink latte. He not dey drink. If you all give him latte, he not dey drink. But if I dey see a lot of children, they'll give the latte for baby running. That is a filly bottle. But my son not dey carry. He not dey drink. He not dey drink. So let's wait for our food to get cooked so that I can able to teach you the rest. But my mother-in-law, the day when he cook, he put this curry, he put her inside. You see, he put her inside. So me, I see they like to use them just more to give it flavor. You see, so let's wait till it gets cooked. You see it. So I don't know if you can see it, so I don't know how to show you now the way it's getting. Look at it. You see it? This is my son food. So let's wait till it gets cooked. Before then, I have to bring my blender, the blender when I dey use for. Not go use blender when you say they do ogbolo. Not go use blender when you say they do melo. Get your blender, your small blender, you see. You know the cost. If you see 10 euro, if you see 20 euro, if it depends. But I prefer you buy the one way go last you till your baby go they eat normal better food when it be so everybody go dey table they eat the same food together. You buy the small blend. Oh, if you see, so Somebody need to join my son to eat this food though. Only my son cannot eat this one. This one is very delicious. So you need to buy blender wey you would use for only. Now I bring my baby home. I got the one when I take the do okpolo, but I decided to buy this one to dey use for am. Because if you go use the one wey dey take the do okpolo, take go ground, no say not be everything you fit wash comot for blender. If you go use the one wey take the ground pepper, like me I dey use my own the ground fresh pepper well because I like pepper. So I no wan make come dey my son food now I take go buy this one. So you get small one like this when you dey use take dey blend anything for am. Even orange, you fit just buy normal orange, not be orange juice o, normal orange. You just press am, get the machine one small rubber when they take dey press am, you just still give am normal like that. Give am better food. If my baby not get body like that, but if you carry my baby, you know say get weight. Before, now I don't leave that side. So now I don't bring my the blender come and see am. You see, I see the head. When I want to blend am, you put am for the pot, just blend am together. So let's wait till we'll wait till the food will get cooked. So the meat is inside. I'm not going to blend the meat. I just use the meat to cook the thing to give it flavor. The meat you can eat it. If you like, you throw it away. If you like, you eat it. For me, I eat it because it's a meat, you understand? So just to give it flavor. So let's wait till the food get cooked. Everything will get cooked, so we blend it. Then I will tell you how to make it. So we'll be right back. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to comment and if you still get anything where you want make I prepare, say na baby own, person own, anything, how to make anything you just want. Like a lot of people drop comments, but I'm going to combine comments. I'll call her combine comments. Every comment that has been dropped since I opened my YouTube channel, not audio comment, the one that someone say talk about this, I don't see this one before. I go bring her, all of them will be combined. So stay tuned, we'll be right back to blend it. Okay, so I think it should be ready. I don't know yet, but let's try it if it is ready or not. Okay, let's try it. I think it should be ready. The carrot is ready. It's a little bit ready. The potato is ready. So maybe we should leave it for 5 minutes. Oh, I don't know if I can show you this now. Let me try again. See? There's no baby that you will cook this one for. He will tell you he will not eat. He will eat because he have a lot of flavor inside. Okay? Even my classmate, when she told me that her son don't eat, but when we prepared this one, we took our time just to prepare little. The baby eat it. He eat the food. We did not even force him. We didn't force him. He eats the food. So if my son can abandon that one, and mostly we don't know this food. We don't know the chemical they put that make that to last longer. Not that the food is not okay. The food is okay, but the chemical they put. There are some of them there. They write 2021 expiring date. Not even maybe this year now. Just imagine that kind of something. But if you still open it 2021, it will still be okay because there is chemical they put to last longer. But this one, you prepare it yourself. You use better water, better meat, better carrot, better zucchini, better everything. You understand? Your son must eat. Please, let's make a try. Okay, let's make a try. Let's make a try. Let's make a try. So maybe we should leave it for just 5 minutes to get melt very well, so that the blender, once you just put it, it will not take your time. Okay, if you have finished cooking now, you see this is the food that I normally used to mix the food that I'm cooking now. This is the food, you understand? But a lot of people will just take this one for the supermarket, just make it for the baby to eat like that. No, if you make cannot eat, you understand? So see what I take the mix. This one are pasta. This is pasta. If you want to do it now, just take little, put it in a little pot. The sauce, put it in a little pot. You add this. If the sauce is thick, you can put a little water. Then you put this pasta. Depends the way your baby will take it. Like me, I dey take 2. Here is the spoon itself. Let me check. This spoon, I will take 2. I add it to it. Then I will mix it very well. Then it will boil like 2 minutes. Once it's 2 minutes or 3 minutes, if you want me to stuff well, you just leave it for 4 minutes. But now 3 minutes I dey leave my own. Then if I just mix and finish, it go just cool. You will see the way my baby will take the rush and they eat. This one are for the pasta. See, this one are pasta. This one are semola. Wait, let me check. No, this one are another type of food. See, you see, so you will still add. Now this one are 4 now they put 3 now they put for inside. Use and mix am. So this one don comot. Look, and this one not be the same. Na it be like the same, but not be the same. This one na semola on. The oval lighter. See one for here, semolino. The right hand semolino. Mille. So na be that one. Why this one na corn? See cream. See, now this type of food now take the mix different day. I know say I'll go make this one for her today. Tomorrow I'll still make am for her. If now you the food go tire you, you know if you eat semo this morning, in the evening you eat semo, the night you eat semo, you go over tired. You understand? So now different type of food now take the mix this sauce when I dey cook so. So now make I break the one when I want to cook for her today. Now I be this one, because now this one eat in the morning. You see, so this one now, this one now, no, now this one eats in the morning. Yesterday morning, because we already day morning now. This is should be around after. Let me see. Okay, this is totu. You understand? For here to 2 for here. Now be this one. You see? Now this one now I want make for her so. To 2 I want make her for a flask. I want make her for this one because we dey go hospital around 8 now. Go take ready. So I go make her put for this one. See? So let's do it one after the other. I don't want to fast forward the video, and I don't want the video too long. So let me pack the rest out first. The food is ready now, so I believe we want to blend it now. So you can see it. You want to blend it now. So before you blend it, you know we add meat inside, so we have to take the meat out. You see how this thing dey scent? It dey scent like porridge. So this is the meat. I've taken it out. And this is my blender. This is my blender. So you have to plug it. Oh God, you have to plug it. Thank God you can still see me like this. So you see it? When you put it, you face it down to the your this thing. Let me try to face the camera so that you can see what I'm doing. So yeah, I will put this one thick. Now just to wash her instantly. Now I told you this is for my baby, so once I will take it out, So see what I'm telling you. To see it, this is how it looks like. I don't know how you can see it now. I believe you can see it very well. This is how it looks like. Let me face it like this. See it. So this is how it look like. You see, there is no the carrot, everything is blend. You see it, everything is blend now. So this is the plate I used to give my son food. So this one now you can see is divided. Is divided into two, so it's one part. Before, if I give my baby that small bottle, enough if they eat, but see the place where they eat now, it be like two of that bottle, pass that two safe. So now here they make it. So you feel you use one pot, no need to go the turn out for container like this pot. Now if I use and make and finish, I will put on for fridge. Anytime when I want take, I will cut for inside. If you use one pot, for not to they give you work, say I will take they do this one every day. If you know, as you just boil and don't boil them, should be not leave them for ground. And make sure say you get fridge where you they put them. So I will come, let me bring something to use to make it. So this is the thing that I'm using to make the food. You see it? So this fork, you need to go one side. You see? It's 1.5. No, let me put a little to it. Because my son used to eat very well now. So I don't know. So the remaining one, you just let it cool a little bit and put it in the fridge. Put it, if you not get space for fridge, say you not to get space to the contain pot like this. If you put that for small container, you will put anytime when you want to take, you cut, take for side. And make sure you cover one, man. A baby food, you need to be covered. So look at it. And this one will make for this money. It's very sweet. You need to test this. Even me, sometimes I give them food if I test time. Go do make small my finish. So look at it. You see when my baby will take the open mouth, they collect the food. Don't know if you can see it or if I don't put it forever, you will see. You guys will see it there. See, I have to wash it, make sure it's neat. You not go there, say you want to go buy Africa custard where you want give baby. Or I want to find where I want for do I can give her. No, this food is delicious. Your baby they eat this one too. You'll see his skin everywhere go blend. His chips go come out because it contains a lot of vegetables. Contain now well. So look at it. You see the face of the food. Very, very, very interested. Look at it very well. Now let me go the other side. You see? Very, very okay. You see? I don't know how to put it. So that is it. So that is it for now. You see it? So the remaining one, you have to put it in that. You see, it's still a lot of sauce. It be like as you go cook stew down, you say I make a cook stew down so that I'll boil rice put for fridge. Anytime when you want to eat the stew, you go carry it for inside, put for the stew rice warm and eat. Now so this one just still be, you understand? Now so this one just still be like as you dey cook stew down, you just make your stew. You say let me just make my stew. Tomorrow is Sunday, let me make stew Saturday. You know what? Most people know what I'm trying to say. Say tomorrow is Saturday, let me try to make stew down so that tomorrow I will just boil rice. That is how this one it look like. You just boil it down. If you want anytime you want to take from inside, just go there, take. But not let time. Don't, at least 4 days is okay. 4 days to 3 days is okay. Once this one I just prepare 3 days. I don't even know if it will get to 3 days because my son they eat. You understand? Baby, when they eat, you don't need to panic. My son feel you eat now. He go you forget say see the sock. He go you play until he won't sleep. Now you go say you call the Christ. Once you just still carry him for back or you pull Bobby for a mat, you go just still sleep. But if you don't want just to give him, you just put her for back. You go just sleep. You don't get time. But if you not eat. Then we know they eat. Oh my God. He go cry. So you understand? So now I don't they eat, you know they anything cry. If you just dey here now, you not gonna say they go you they play. Only a voice now you go they hear. The way till they play the shout. Now you go they hear. Say cry. my baby. So this is it for now. Please, I want to introduce this video to you again. If you know you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I drop any video, you will be notified. I beg, if you dey new to my channel, na Katarina Golden Baby, if you dey new to my channel, I beg not fail to hit that button when it dey that red thing when it dey, just touch am. E go make king. Once you touch am, touch that bell on and down. Anytime I drop any video, you go be notified. I dey drop a lot of things here. I dey do a lot of things. I know I dey do a lot in this channel. If you are new, don't fail to hit that button. Just hit it so that anytime I drop any video, and don't forget to like it. Don't forget to like it. Only drop thumbs up for me, okay? I took my time. You understand? To explain things. I know they say come pay me. I just, at least, baby, when you know they eat now, you make this one for I eat. You go still say, my baby don't eat today. Belle go still sweet you. You understand? The baby they eat, you know, go get say you won't call they cry, no go they disturb you. You know they put breast for a mouth every 5 minutes. You understand? So that is it for now. Please. I still remain Katarina Golden Baby. For those of you that say drop comments for different video that I've made, I'm coming to answer your question. Not that I've just see the comment. I always read comments. And YouTube always notify me about comments, and I always do. So I will come back with the topic. I will make it combine comments. That is what I will write inside. Maybe today or tomorrow. I've already prepared the video, but I will drop it by the grace of God. So let's keep on. This is new week. Please don't fail to watch my video. Watch the video, learn something from it. And if you are a woman, make sure you watch the video to the end so that you can able to prepare it for your baby. I love every one of you. May the blessing of the Lord remain with you guys. Stay tuned till I come your way again. I love you guys. Ciao. Savera, we can't see you. Okay. Yeah. Siebiti. Say ciao. Say ciao. Tieni. 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 Acqua. Tieni acqua. It's almost finished. You see, I divide it for him. He's really dragging for the food to eat first. Let me put this thing in your neck. You don't want me to put it. Oh yeah, Maja. Because of the camera distraction. Manja. Jenny, distraction. This is the last one. Jenny. So the food is finished, but my son is still want to eat, but I normally gauge it. This place is for morning, this place is for evening. So in the afternoon, I do give him any other food. So this is the what I give to him. You can see the food is finished, but when I still give, still like to open his mouth to eat. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you know you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I drop any video, you will be notified. I am a mother, so take care of child very well. Okay, make them to eat proper. Okay, love you guys. Stay till I come your way again. And if you know say you dey new to my channel, no vex, abeg click that red button, that red wey you dey see for there, just touch am, go make me so you on your bed that anytime when I post video, you go dey notified say I don post video. E go your land for your phone. So my name is Remeka Golden Baby, and Baby Savera is telling you to subscribe to my own YouTube channel. Okay, ciao for now.